In this video we're going to look at some useful conversational phrases that you can use to describe people. So what kind of person are you, to describe what kind of people they are, what kind of person your brother or sister is, and things like that. So if you want to learn more Irish, more words, more phrases, just like I'm going to be discussing in this video, please subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's start off with this convenient phrase here. I am a friendly, talkative person. Is dinne caintach cardúil mé. Is dinne caintach cardúil mé. So caintach is talkative, cardúil is friendly, and mé refers to me. Next one then, you are a cheerful person. Is dinne geallgóireach tú. Is dinne geallgóireach tú. You are a cheerful person. My brother is an intelligent boy. Is buachel múl é mo gur thar. Is buachel múl é mo gur thar. So the A there, that's the ifada, refers to him. So that's why we use it in terms of talking about a boy like my brother. And the next one you'll see now will be E, that's ifada, E, and that will refer to a female. Is Colleen Canal E Moira. Mary is a kind girl. Is Colleen Canal E Moira. We are hard-working people. Is Dini dígrsacha muid. Is Dini dígrsacha muid. So the muid there, M-U-I-D, refers to us, and dígrsacha is basically the word for hard-working or diligent. Is Dini dígrsacha muid. Our next phrase, you are clever students, or you are clever pupils. Is dalti cliste shiv. Is dalti cliste shiv. The shiv refers to you, but in terms of more than one person. So I would usually say there ye instead of you, because it refers to a group or multiple people. Is dalti cliste shiv. Ye are clever students. Next, they are laid back or relaxed parents. Is tishmahori re chusacha iad. Is tishmahori re chusacha iad. They are relaxed or chilled out parents. So you will see there, if you go back over those, that we went through each of the individual people, from me to you to him to her, we, ye, and they. So hopefully you can work with that, maybe substitute some words here and there to give you more confidence in your spoken Irish. So thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section some of your favourite comments using these words to describe people. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Slán tamil.